Hi guys, a very good morning to all of you, and see again I am back to teach you standard 1 chapter 20 about the water in lecture number 2. So in first videos we have learned much more about the water, that why do we need water, like air. Water is also need to live. We all need water to live. Like us, even plants and animals need water to live. We need water for many purposes like drinking, washing and bathing. Water is also needed for watering plants. For growing a new plants, water is very essential, and for that water that we are giving the water through, so that it can grow properly. We need water for cooking, cleaning and also to put out fire. So like water, like air, water is also very important in our life for the all human beings. And we get water from many sources. We cannot get water from one sources. We can get water from many sources like lakes, oceans, rivers and springs. These all are the sources that from where we get water. We also sometimes save rainwater for our use. Yeah, suppose that it's raining and we can collect the rainwater in that bucket. So through that rainwater we can wash our clothes, we can wash our bicycle, we can wash our bike, any transportation, any transport, any vehicles. So for that, what for sometimes what we should collect the water, rainwater for these uses. So because for that water we can clean our house also. So we should not waste the water. We should collect the rainwater also, so that it can help us in many purpose. Water is also found under the ground. Yeah, we all know that water is very important, and for that water is always found under the ground. We get this water, underground water, by digging wells. So the underground water we can get this water from by the digging wells. Well is like a hole. You can usually see in this picture, page number 84, well is there, or you can see that in villages areas also that well is there. So from that well we can get the water. So well is what? A hole in the ground water. It's digging to get underground water, so that with the help of digging well we can get the underground water. From wells we fetch water with buckets or pumps. Yeah, from that wells we can fetch water with buckets. With the help of rope we can just we can pull the rope, and then we can take the water in buckets. We should keep our sources of water clean, because of these sources we can get the water. So if we can make these all sources water dirty, then we can drink the dirty water. For that we can start becoming ill, we can become the weak person. So for that we should keep always our sources of water clean. We should not throw the garbage through the river, in the rivers, in on rivers and then oceans and lakes. We should always keep our sources, these sources of water, clean, so that we can get the clean water. Next is page number 85. Water reaches our homes through pipes and taps. So water is there, what it can now, it is all water what we get for drinking, for cooking. These water we can get in our homes through the pipes and through the taps. We should turn off taps after using water. So like suppose that we don't need the water, for on that time we should what, we should turn off the taps, because most of the people, they just what they're doing, like suppose they're brushing the teeth, on that time they just open the tap and then they are brushing. It means that water is wasting. So on that time we should turn off the taps, so that we can save the water, we can use that water after sometimes when it needs. We should not waste water. We should always save the water, and we should not waste the water. Water is very important and in our life, and water and air both are very important. So we should not make them dirty, and we should not waste that water. We should always save the water. Next, did you know is there The Ganga River is one of the most important rivers in India. The Ganga River is what? It is one of the most important river. It's when we are going there and we are worship of Ganga River. So it is what? It is the one of the most important rivers in India. It begins its journey from the Himalayas. Yeah, Himalayas, it is on the top, and the Himalayas snow is melts, and then it can form the river. So it start the journey from the Himalayas. About the Himalayas, when you will go in higher class in standard 2 or 3, then you will learn deeply about the Himalayas. Now your chapter is completed. I hope that you guys are understood. Now take out your pencil so that I can give you the exercise. So that the new words is only 4 new words: oceans, spring, underground water, and whale. So 4 new words is there. You can write down new words from the book, and the exercise I will give you right now in this video, so that after writing the new words you can do exercise in your copy. If you have not completed till chapter 19, then please complete the new words and objective prize, and then after you can complete the 20 new words and then exercise. Don't think that you will write the first of all exercise then new words. No, first of all the exercise, new words, and then exercises. So in this chapter we have learned about the importance of water, that we all need water to live. The first point is that what? We all need water to live. Plants and animals also need water to live. Third point, water comes from many sources like rainwater, river, ocean, seas, ponds, then digging wells. And we should not waste the water. We should always save the water, and we should always make the water clean. We should not throw the garbage, and we should not make it dirty. Next, go through the exercise. The new words you should write down from the book, and just go to the exercise. 1 number is there. Choose the correct word to fill up the blanks. So here is 2 options are there and blank is there. So from the 2 options you have to choose the correct answer, and then you have to fill the blank. So first, we all need dash to live, books or water. Then answer is water. We all need water to live. B number, we get water from dash sources, one sources or many sources. Then just now I said that we can get water from many sources. C number, we get underground water through dash, rain or wells. Then we can get underwater through the wells. D number, beside us, water is also used by dash, plants and animals, or only for animals. Then the answer is it is important for plants and animals both. E number, we dash waste water, should or should not. Then we should not waste water. Next, page number 86. Write T for true or F for false. So you have to write down the T or F. T it means true, F it means false. So box is there, and box you just write F and false. So A number, we need water for only drinking and washing. It's false, because we need water for many purposes like bathing, cooking, cleaning the house, for many purposes. We sometimes save rainwater for our use. Then answer is true. Yes, sometimes we should collect the rainwater in bucket, so that through that water we can clean the house, we can clean our vehicles. Next, C number, water is found only underground. Then answer is false. We can get water through the many sources. D number, we can dig wells to get underground water. Then answer is true. When we can dig the well, then we can get the underground water. E number, we should try and waste as much water as we can. Then it's a false. We should always save the water. We should not waste the water. So yeah, your exercise is completed. So please do the, first of all you can do the new words and then exercise in your copy, and the online class is going to the over. For that, please you can read your book also. Till that, thank you and have a nice day, and bye. I will see you in the next class. Thank you.